Hi, I'm Jen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm making alcoholic white chocolate truffles. It's a very easy recipe and you can create many variations. I'm substituting double cream for Bailey's extra thick cream to go with my salted caramel Baileys. I'm also going to use Tequila Rose with normal double cream, as I usually just stick to Bailey's. So let's be adventurous and see how they turn out. Melt the butter and the cream together until they combine. Be sure not to burn the butter. You could at this stage add extra extracts and essences such as orange, mint, almond, but I'm just showing you a basic recipe for now. I've got loads of other ideas for different varieties, so keep an eye out and feel free to use the notifications button. Once combined, take it off the heat but keep the cooker hot, as you might need help melting the chocolate. Add the chocolate either in stages or all at once. The mixture is going to get thick really fast, so don't worry and keep stirring. Don't forget the cooker if you need help melting the chocolate. Add your alcohol to help you get to the right thickness. If you add too much alcohol, just add more chocolate to thicken it up again. Once you're done, put it in the fridge to chill. Once it's chilled and pliable, you can start forming the mixture into balls. Play with your balls until you get them to the right shape, but if your balls start getting sticky in your hands, you can always oil your hands up first with some butter. You can also re-chill them and then play with your balls again to make them nice and smooth. I like my balls looking homemade, so I'm not going to bother. But you can make your balls look as professional as you like. Once they're done, put them back in the fridge to chill again while we get the chocolate ready. Put your chocolate in a heat-proof bowl and get your pot ready. Fill your pot with boiling water and place the bowl on top. The boiling water should be enough to melt the chocolate, but if not, then add a low heat to keep the water hot. You could also add vegetable oil or coconut oil to give the chocolate a glossy look, and it helps with dipping. But I want a good crunch into the chocolate shell. Because the balls are cold, the chocolate should hopefully dry quickly around your balls. Use the last of the chocolate to cover any holes. That's the truffles ready, and you can keep them in the fridge or the freezer for safekeeping. As if you can keep them out your mouth that long. Here's some I made earlier. Enjoy and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!